everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope having a great day. It's still raining in BC, but we'll see how it goes. I have a unbagging today from People's Jewelers. And if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, that'd be great, because once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway, and you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Make sure that you like all the videos that you enjoy. Thumbs up is always appreciated, and make sure you ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. I give you all the details there. So I have 1, 2, 3, and I'll put pictures on my Instagram, which is Susan Senior Style, pretty easy. So here's the first one here. And these are silver accents, so let's go ahead and put it back here. Alright, let's see. Alright, as part of my Christmas gifts that were missing, the ones that I had ordered on December 24th. So that's the first one. Alright, let's get into the second one. Same packaging. These are black diamonds and clear diamonds. They're pretty nice. They're all in silver. And then the third one is kind of a twist. Black diamonds and clear diamonds. Alright, so they're fairly nice. Alright, so that is my unbagging from People's Jewelers today. I hope everybody's staying safe, and until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.